Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel today. In today's video I'll be working with the intersections of pipes, two pipes or cylinders intersecting at an angle 45 degree, as we can see right in that given question. In this question we are told to draw the line of intersection, complete plan and development of a cylinder intersecting the other at an angle. The angle given angle is 45, as we can see here, both of unequal diameter. The two pipes are of unequal diameter. The diameter of pipe B is 30, while that of pipe A, this is the plan for pipe A, okay, is 50. So I'll be drawing the plan for pipe B as well. But the first thing we have to do in this video is to draw the given view. We are going to be drawing this given view as it is here before we proceed into drawing the line of intersection, the complete plan and the development. So let's quickly do that now right away. Stretch my compass to 25, a circle this way. Okay, all right, so which I'm going to highlight later. I'm going to take out that later. Then from this side now I'll project a line. I'm drawing the given view first. I'll project a line up that way, then at this other side project this line up. So I'm going to pick the base for this elevation this way. Okay, we have that, and the length of the pipe A is 100, so that will give us 10. So this is 10 here. Can have the 10 as well at this point here. So connect the 2 points together this way. Okay, now we are not given this length here, neither are we given this side. Okay, all we are given is the diameter of pipe B. Okay, so we are going to work in such a way that we will centralize this pipe B, but it is at an angle 45, so we have to centralize this pipe B. So what I will do now is to get the center of this pipe A. Of course the center will have to be 50 if the length is 100, so 50. So this is 50 here. I have 15 at the other side, so I can have these 2 point join now. Okay, so this becomes the center. You can see this center line. Okay, that is that now. So the next thing is we are given at angle 45. Okay, now what I'm going to do now is this. From this center now, from this center I will pick at angle 45 here, okay, which is going to represent the center of this pipe. I hope you are following. It's going to represent the center of this pipe of diameter 30, which is at angle 45. So I'll pick it from the center here first. So this way I will draw at an angle that way. Okay, now we are given this length to be 40. We don't know what this side is, so I will just pick a random point. I'll pick a random point first. pick a random point here first. Okay, just pick a random point. If I pick this side, okay, I'll pick a random point first. Then from that point, I'm going to draw at 90 degree, draw a perpendicular line. Okay, so I'm going to draw, I'll draw it this way. Take off this arrow. Okay, so I hope we are clear with this. Okay, this is at 90 degrees. So what I'm going to have now, don't forget that this diameter is 30, and I said the line I drew, this line at 45, represent the center of this pipe B. So all I'll just do is to take 15 down, 15 up, which will make it 30. I hope that is clear. Okay, so I will just come this way, 1.5 up centimeter, then this is my 3. Hope this is clear. So from this side now, we transfer this line, transfer it to this side, so it's going to be meeting this pipe at this side here. So what I will do now, just transfer the line, just transfer this point here, place it like this, just to transfer. Okay, make sure it's in alignment with the line, so that it's going to be parallel to it. And okay, I'm good now. Then the ruler behind it, then I'll produce this. So when I get to that point, now I'm going to draw, I will draw this. So the same thing I'm going to do for the other one at the top. So like this, now I'll produce this. Okay, I hope we can see this. So this is the diameter of this pipe B. Now this is the diameter, okay, meeting at this point. So let me just outline the pipe A. Let me take it out so that we can see what we have here. So we have this way. Okay, sorry, yes, I left out something very vital. We are giving this side to be 40. Yes, we are giving this to be 40. So all I'm going to do is this. Okay, before I tick out everything, I'm going to, from this part now, I'm going to be measuring 40. I will measure 40. Okay, don't forget that I pick a random point for this. Okay, random point. So I have to make sure this side of the pipe is 40. So I'm going to do that now. So just pick 40. So from here now, so you can see my 40 is here, this side. So this is my 40, so a little bit above this line. So all I just need to do, like when you pick a random point, your 40 can either be behind this way or above. Okay, so all I just need to do, I'm going to transfer this line as well to that 40, to that point where I'm having my 40. Okay, so this is it. All right, so that is it. So this is a point I need to tick out. Okay, I hope you get it the way I got out of 40. So we have this, we have this, 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 so we have this for pipe A and pipe B. Let me just tick out the base. Okay, the plan for pipe A. So here we have it for the plan for pipe A. So how do we get the plan for pipe B now? So all I just need to do now is this, come this way. Okay, I'm using this center line as my reference. So move it to the point. So this point here, you can see this point here, then I'm going to drop a line. I will drop a line. Okay, it's not yet there. Make sure it is there. Okay, now I will drop a line this way. You can see that line. Okay, so the next thing, okay, let me further drop this line. Okay, so we are told that the pipe is 30, so for the plan for pipe B as well has to be 30. So what I'm going to do now is this. I will just pick 15 up, 15 down. This way. Okay, so through with this center line now, I will use that to draw this, place it here now to have this. Okay, then for the down, move it to that second 1.5. Okay, you have it this way. So here we are having it. So let me align that as well. Okay, I will not align that for now for a purpose. I will tell you later as we progress in this video. Okay, now let me quickly draw the line of intersection. Now I will draw the line of intersection. Okay, so that is the first thing we are asked to do here. We are told to draw the line of intersection. Okay, so from this center, okay, I'll need to add that center stretch to this top, which should be equal with this, as you can see there. So I'll produce a semicircle this way, produce a semicircle this. So with the same compass radius I use for drawing this now, I'll place same here, since they are of equal, these two pipe, I mean this pipe B and this is the elevation, this is the plan. Okay, since those two pipes must be equal, so I'm going to use that to draw this. So we have this way, like this. Okay, so you can see that now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to divide this arc or semicircle into 6. Okay, starting with this part now, draw this arc to cut that, then place at the center, draw next to cut, then draw this down, then at this point draw this to cut, then I will do same here. Okay, draw this, then place at the center now, draw this, strike this arc here, and here as well, strike this arc here. So what I'm going to do now, join, then finally join that to the center. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to be numbering these points here, this 6 division I have here. Okay, I'm going to number in such a way that it's going to be convenient for me when I'm about to draw the development. So because to draw I will show you as we get along. I will show, actually you can use any numbers of your choice. Okay, actually you can use any number, but I prefer to say this should be my 1, this should be 2, this should be 3, 4. Then if this is 1, the number will count down also. This 3, 2, and then 1. That way, I hope you can see that now. Now when I number this, I will number this in the reverse way. Okay, if I say this is 1, this is 1, so I will use 4 here, 4 here. Then you can say this is 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do now, I want to draw the line of intersection. So that's what I want to draw now. So the next thing I will do now, you can see from these 3 I will produce a line. a horizontal line to touch the circumference of the circle. So you have to do this carefully. Make sure that all your lines are parallel, okay, to each other, so that the lines will be straight. So if I'm using the set square, I'm making sure that it's straight there. For 3. Okay, so you see where it touches the circumference of the circle. Okay, now very quickly I'm going to do same here, but at an inclined line. So I'll put my set square this way. Let it be in line with the 45-degree side. Place my ruler this way. Then I'm going to produce this as well. Okay, now the next thing we are going to be doing here now is this. So we come here, so you can see where these lines meet the circumference of this circle. Okay, I'm going to produce a vertical line up. So you can see, you can use your ruler for this. You can see for 3, for 4, we start with 4, this 4 and this 4 down. Okay, both will be on the same point. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So just take note of the point, it has to be on the same point. Okay, so I will just produce a vertical line like this. Okay, then go to 3. Now this is 3 and 3 here as well. So I'm going to produce a vertical line like that as well. Then we go to the next one, 2. This is 2 and this is 2 here. So I'm going to produce a vertical line as well that way. Okay, so now here is the deal. You can see this 4 now. Take note of this 4 and this 4. Okay, this 4, just trace the line up where it intersects with 4 coming from this other one here. Okay, so just trace it down. You can see this is the point, so take note of that point. Okay, take note of this point. I hope you can see this point. The next one, 3, come here. This is 3 and 3 down. Okay, they are both on the straight line where it intersects with 3 here. So this is the point. So we must have 2 points for 3 as well, for 3. So this is the other point for 3 here. You can see this is the other point. Okay, so we go to the next one, which is 2 and 2 here. Just trace it where it intersects that. So this is a point and this is a point. Okay, then finally 1. This is the point. We must also have 2 points, 1 here. Okay, then 1 at this other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, take my curve and smoothly join these points together. Okay, so this is our line of intersection. So we call this line of intersection. Okay, so this is our line of intersection. And now very quickly, let's draw the complete plan. So to draw the complete plan, and this is what we are going to do. Take note of this point. Okay, we have this point, a line comes down. So take note of this point. This is 2, where it touches this part here. Produce a line down. So I'm going to produce a line down this way. Okay, so I will do the same for each of the points. So this is the other one. Then finally we have one more point. Okay, all right, so take a look at this now. This is what we are going to be doing now to get the complete plan. It's a very simple thing. Now we go this way. You can see 4 here, this 4 and this 4 here. You come down this way, just follow my hand as I'm coming down this 4 now. So where it touches this 4 here, take note of that 4, both up and down like this. both up and down this way. So we go to the next one now. Okay, we should have actually started with one, but all the same we are still correct. This one now, so this one is at this point here, okay, and at this point here. I hope you can see that. Okay, then if we go to 2, this 2, bring it down until you get to 2 here where they both intersect. 2 here, and don't forget 2 at this other side as well. Okay, so this 2 here, okay, at this other side. Okay, I hope you can see that now. Then for the bottom as well, we are going to have 2 here and 2 at this other side. Just follow it where they both intersect. Now one more, 3. So 3 now, 3 come this way, so this is my 3 here at both the left and the right side. So 3 here, 3 here. Okay, no, sorry, not this one, it should have been here. The 3 ought to have been here, not this. Let me take this away, let me remove this, not this one. Okay, the 3 should have been this and this here. I hope you can see that. And this as 2 and 2 here as well. Okay, let's take the 3 for the bottom part now. Okay, so this 3, let's look at that again. This 3 like this, coming like this. So where it meets with this 3 here, you can see here, and this 3, okay, which also is going to meet here. Oh, I've made a mistake here. These 2, I've gotten the wrong point. Oh, sorry for that. Let's quickly just go over it again. I want you to get it. So let's start with 1. This is 1 point here meeting this 1 here and 1 here. Okay, because this is a line 1 coming down like this. You can see that. Okay, that's set 2. Let's go to 2. Just do it gradually. 2 here. Maybe because I was in haste, I was rushing. So 2 here now, where 2 meet with 2 here, so which is this point. We got that right. Then for the other side as well, okay, if we bring it down like this, so this is another 2. Of course, it's going to have it both up and down. So this 2 here now, it ought to be here. That's where I made the mistake. Then 2 here, we got this point right, we got this side right. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, now let's go to 3 here. Bring it down wherever it meets 3, line 3, so which is going to be here. Okay, and 3 at this side, which is going to be meeting this 3. It's a very simple thing to get. Okay, all right, so we've gotten our point complete now. So all I just need to do, I will take my curve. You can see this point here, like this. So these are the point I'm going to smoothly join together, which will be forming something like an ellipse. Okay, so I'll quickly do that now. Here we have our complete plan now. So this becomes the complete plan. So this is our complete plan. Yes, I said something the other time at the beginning of the video. I said I will not highlight this at that time. Okay, now because if I'm to highlight now, I will highlight from here instead of from this point here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight from this top now, this top of the complete plan. That is why I did not highlight the plan for pipe B earlier. Okay, so I will highlight this now. Okay, so we have it this way. So this is this completes the lines of intersection. This is the line of intersection, as you can see here. Why this is my complete plan. You can see the video is already taking time, so I'm going to be working on the development because it's part of the drawing. We are told to draw the development of the cylinder. Okay, so I really want us to get it, so I'm going to be working on the development of the cylinder of this pipe B now. The development, I'll be doing that in another video. Please, I'll be doing that in another video. Please stay tuned, watch out for that in this on this channel. Thank you very much for staying tuned. God bless you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you next time.